In today's video, I will be showing you how to view all the storage usage of your hard drives in Windows 10. The first thing you need to do is right click on the start menu icon, and you now need to click on settings. We now need to click on system, and you now need to click on storage, and you will now see your C drive. We now need to scroll down, and you now need to click on view storage usage on other drives underneath more storage settings. And you will now see all the drives that are connected to your PC or laptop. The first drive I'm going to select is my C drive. You will now see a list of categories of areas we can select. For example, if I select apps and features, it will list all the apps and features that are installed on my C drive. As you can see, there are 105 apps. If I go back and then select my D drive and go on apps and features, as you can see, I only have 5 apps installed on my D drive, and you can see them below. If I go back again, if I click onto pictures, as you can see, it's now listed all the files that are under pictures on my D drive, and it also gives us the location of those pictures. As you can see, you can also view the file size of these pictures. This is a fantastic way to see what is hogging up space on your hard drives. As you can see on the main screen, it does tell us how much free space we have left on our drives. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.